What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Lamar Reacts, man. I'm back with a second reaction, man. Today we got no one other than the GOAT, you know what I'm saying? Weezy F, baby, Lil Tunchi, Dwayne Carter, whoever you call him, man. The GOAT. You know, we got Demolition with Freestyle. Now, this one pretty old, though. But without further ado, man, like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And we can get into the video.
Talk about it. Gangsta shit right in front, you nigga walk around it. Nigga let me do me. They know I kick it like Jet Li, Bruce Lee, and I done.
They know I kick it like Jet Li, Bruce Lee. It's cold, bro.
They can't do me. I'll put my gun up to your Aunt Susie and blow out a doobie. Pay her ruby. I am a loony. You niggas puny. I puke on the beat. I juke and never fumble. Man, I spit that dope like I swallowed a bundle. Gotta spit that dope up, cause the old heads say it. If you don't, it'll bust. I heard if I sell it hard, it'll rush. But if the people come, if it's soft, it'll flush. Certainly, don't get caught in the blind and keep your curtain straight. No, I don't.
Man, that was cold, boy. Don't get caught in the blind and keep your curtain straight.
Drink wine, but I smoke purple grapes. Sometimes see purple stars. I ain't talking about purple babes. I gets paid early cause I be working late. Too many painful memories, shit hurt to say. Crack flow, no bake, just stir and shake. Shooting when we pulled up like Urkel waste. Sip serve.
Bro, he said shooting when we pull up like Urkel waist. On Family Matters, when Urkel got his pants pulled up, he said shooting when we pull up like Urkel waist. Now, that was cold, bro.
Got me moving at a turtle pace, but quick draw pop out like a turtle face. Paid in full, you can't murk the ace. I kill your beat, then beat the murder case. Yeah, that's right, I'ma kill this shit. And if the glove don't fit, I'ma need a catcher's mitt. Cause I'm high like a bitch, yeah, I'm high like a bitch. Like Mariah and shit, I guess I'm higher than a bitch.
Oh my God, what you say, man? Bro, I forgot some of the lyrics, but it's been so long, bro.
Don't fit, I'ma need a catcher's mitt. Cause I'm high like a bitch, yeah, I'm high like a bitch. Like Mariah and shit, I guess I'm higher than a bitch.
He said the glove don't fit, I'ma need a catcher's mitt cause I'm high like a pitch. Like Mariah and but that's hard, bro.
Keep it dirty like I'm lying in the ditch. Like Eli, I'm from New Orleans, I'm a giant in this bitch. Move the G.
Keep it dirty like I'm lying in the ditch. Like Eli, I'm from New Orleans, I'm a giant in this. Now, that was cold, but Eli Manning, giant, bro, that was cold, bro.
And add an S and put the I before the N. And put the A in front of that, and that's what I am to the end. That's a sight, motherfucker. Simplify it for them. Where your funeral comes with a second line at the end. Yeah. But you won't be second lining with them, cause you'll be in the hearse that's behind all of them. Yeah, I see your homies dressed in black like they finna ride. But that fashion statement is telling a lie. I'm Pelican fly, Mac 11 inside. My bullets come with wings and your cerebellum can fly. Yeah, fucking
That's
right,
hard.
oh yeah. Young money via, sick as gonorrhea like Tasha. Heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach and diarrhea. It's a Pepto-Bismol, ho. Young moolah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Young moolah, baby.
But that was cold. Alright, so that was the video, Demolition Freestyle. That shit was cold. I ain't heard that in a while. Yeah, man, the GOAT. Alright, comment, like down below what y'all want me to rap to next, man. Subscribe. Hit that notification button, man. It's Lamar Reacts, man. I'm out. See y'all next vid.